Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Ring app an error occurred, please try again later. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So now if you are facing this Ring app an error occurred, please try again later, or just like we'll be back soon, then you don't need to worry about it because it's just a technical issue that is occurring in the Ring server. So what you can do here is just to wait it out, and then after some time the servers will be running again, and then you'll be able to transfer or you'll be able to continue your transactions. Now the next thing you can also check is head over to your app store, and then on the search bar simply type in Ring or Ring Pay, and then once you do that, search for the app and then click on it. Let me just assume this is the app, and once you're here, what you need to do is check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. Now that's basically how to do it, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.